You only need this tool to unlock millionaire potential. BullX. There are many tools for trading meme coins, but only a few can lead you to real wealth. I want to introduce you to the ultimate tool for trading. It's one of the most versatile tools out there, offering numerous features that can revolutionize your trading game. Now let's start our deep dive into a new way of trading that is exclusively available only to my followers. Go here and register on regular BullX if you haven't yet. Go to the New Pair tab, where you can see a list of tokens that are just being created. There, we can also view tokens in different categories, such as liquidity, market cap, and more. You can set up various filters to search for a token to buy. Now let's analyze the Pump Vision tab, which consists of hype tokens on Pump Fun that have proven themselves well. There are 3 columns for different categories of tokens: new creations, about to graduate, graduated. There you can find good tokens to buy that you are interested in. A very interesting tab is Explore, where you can delve into tokens that are currently gaining a lot of hype. You can search for tokens in 4 categories: trending, gainers, losers, recent. This tab is very informative, providing crucial information about the tokens. By the way, you can also choose the chain on which you want to buy tokens. I recommend choosing Solana because it has the most MEMECOINs and the most liquidity in this network. So I recommend choosing Solana if you want to trade successfully. So go ahead, make yourself a mug of tea, and start making money.